This video tutorial I will explain how to drop the single user and how to drop all users from the Mongo database. From the current database, if you want to remove only one user, then we can use drop user method which accept username. Suppose from the current database, if you want to remove all the users, then we can use drop all users method. We will see the sample now. Start the MongoDB server with authentication enabled. Here you can see security authorization enabled. Start the Mongo client. Switch to bookdb. So current DB is bookdb. I am executing a method getUsers db.getUsers. The currently Mongo database has authentication enabled. So it is asking username and password to login. db.auth username is Peter and password is password. The user is already there in the book database. And authentication successful. Execute the same command db.getUsers. And here you can see there are three users are there. The first user is Dave, role is user admin. Second user is Peter, role is user admin, and he has one more role which is read write. And third user is Ram, his role is user admin. Now we will see how to drop the particular user using drop user command or drop user method. db.dropUser and I am passing username as Ram. And we got true, meaning the user Ram is successfully removed from current database. We can cross verify using db.getUsers method. And here you can see we got only two users. Suppose we want to remove all the users from current database, then we can use drop all users method. And here we got the output number long 2. So there are two users are there. So those users also dropped. You can get Java source code link for each video in the description section of the video. Here you can see the description section. Click on show more, and here you can see the Java source code links. Click on these links to get the Java source code.